All right. Hey, not every day I'm selling real estate properties, residential. Sometimes I got to show a commercial property every once in a while. And this one here is a little over 2,000 square feet. I met a gal at an open house and she said she was looking for an office space to do some filming and do some podcasts and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to show her this. Come on in. Let's just take a look at this and see what we got. A little over 2,000 square feet. This used to be health medicine type of place where they did yoga. They had a couple massage rooms in here and an office, and this was the reception area. And this was their yoga room where they had all the yoga mats and they did their classes in here. So a big wide open space. So my client that's coming today is going to come and check this out. She does a lot of podcasts and a lot of different things like that. So we'll see if this makes a good fit for her. It might be a little small. I'm not 100% sure, but a nice area. So there's in here, there's a spot for a private office that's somewhat sizable for a private office or a meeting room. And then there's two smaller little rooms in here. Now, when you show commercial property, a lot of times you don't have lighting because the power and water's off in this but this was a massage room, so it's big enough for a massage table and get around in here. So that's what this area was used for. There was two of them in here, so that's the second massage room. And it had a male and a female bathrooms. Just your normal bathrooms. And then this was the third massage room. So I guess it had 3 massage rooms. Is that a thing, massage rooms? I don't know. Are they going to be used for massages in the future? I don't think so, but I don't know. Depends on who decides to rent it. And then you had a little kitchenette. So this is a great little spot. Rents for just a little over $5,000 a month, as is. The landlord is looking for a 5-year lease. And we'll kind of go from there, see if we can't put a deal together with this client that's coming through. So we'll just kind of wait until she comes through and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. Toodaloo.